Thank you for joining us today. This video is designed to provide an overview for completing a responsibility tracker survey. My name is Tracey Kane, and I am with the University of Minnesota Peak Project Office. Employees who receive a responsibility tracker survey link via Qualtrics will be able to view all supporting resources by clicking on the link embedded in their email. The survey is designed to capture information about certain work activities in finance, human resources, and marketing and communications areas, including web development. This process is designed to capture the responsibilities you perform on an annual basis to an estimated percentage of your total appointment. To do this, it is important to begin this process by reading the instructions and using the provided time estimation worksheet to calculate those percentages. For a simple example, Goldy the Gopher is a full-time employee whose job duties fall under HR, but also has responsibilities that are not under the lists of HR, finance, or marketing and communications. Goldy first makes a copy of the file to their Google Drive. Goldy then reviews the list of responsibilities and identifies that they have work that falls in both HR and the other categories. Goldy then filters to HR and other in column B. Once they have filtered to these categories, they use column E to select the exact responsibilities that they have. Again, using the filter, they see that they have selected a total of 6 responsibilities. Goldy then will assign the amount of time that they spend completing each. Remember, these estimates are based on the work that you actually perform on an annual basis and may not necessarily align exactly with what is listed on your job description. If you have a reduced time appointment, less than 40 hours per week, please do not use the time estimation tool. However, you should still submit the responsibility tracker survey considering 100% of your work. The Peak team will prorate the calculations to reflect your individual working hours. If you and your supervisor have questions, please reach out to peakconnect@umn.edu for assistance. Once complete, Goldy will see that cell I3 equals 100%, accurately capturing the full scope of their duties. Goldy will confirm this information with their supervisor, and then use column I to populate the percentages in the responsibility tracker survey tool in Qualtrics. If the described responsibilities don't make sense, please bring this up with your supervisor when you meet. You can also use the responsibility tracker description document linked in the other resources or attend an information session provided by the Peak Project Office. After you've completed your worksheet and discussed with your supervisor, it's time to submit the information using the survey link sent to you via email. First, select the option that indicates I am an employee submitting this for my current role and associated responsibilities. Once you have read the instructions, select the categories of work that you perform as part of your job. Within each selected category, you will select the specific responsibilities you complete. These selections will ultimately be what you are required to provide percentage values for on a later page of the survey. Once you have completed the selection of responsibilities, you will progress forward to the indication of percentages. This page will not allow you to advance if your percentages do not equal 100%. On the last page of the survey, you will select a box to acknowledge that the information provided is an accurate estimate of your time and responsibilities and is ready to be reviewed by your supervisor. Please remember, all responses and supervisor certifications are due no later than Friday, June 14th. If you have any questions or encounter any difficulties while filling out the form, please reach out to peakconnect@umn.edu for assistance or visit the Peak website.